couldn't ask for more. Under the sleepy sun, my dreams start to fly. It's by the river as the days go by. With the footsteps I'm holding on to faith. Thank you, the Almighty, for this sacred place. Songs and stories carried by the day. Echoes of tradition fill the vibrant air, finding pieces of my heart everywhere. Under the faded sunlight, dreams start to fly. Reach by the river as the days go by. With the footsteps I'm holding on to faith. Thanking the Almighty for this sacred place. With trials and triumphs we